Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, the ultimate tablet for maximizing your productivity and entertainment on the go. With its powerful features and sleek design, this tablet is your perfect companion for work, streaming, gaming, and more. Featuring DeX multitasking, you can now enjoy enhanced productivity capabilities and a PC-like experience wherever you are. Seamlessly integrate with Microsoft 365 and stay on top of your tasks with ease. Powered by the upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset and super-fast Wi-Fi 6E technology, the Galaxy Tab S8 delivers exceptional performance to keep up with your busy day. And with its long-lasting battery, you can stay productive and entertained for hours on a single charge. The S Pen, included with your tablet purchase, takes your creativity to new heights. With near-zero latency, it feels just like a real pen, allowing you to unleash your imagination effortlessly. Whether you're taking notes, sketching, or converting handwriting to text with Samsung Notes, the S Pen is your ultimate tool. Immerse yourself in a stunning visual experience with the 11 inches LCD screen. Its dazzling optical brilliance, crispness, and color will take your breath away. Plus, capture memorable moments with the ultra-wide dual-front camera that records super clear videos in 4K and takes great photos. Stay connected with optimized video calls using the ultra-wide front camera with auto-framing and 3 microphones with noise cancellation. Whether you're remote learning, working, or chatting with friends and family, enjoy high-resolution video chats like never before. Designed to be your everyday companion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is portable and easy on the eyes. Whether you're at a coffee shop or a park, the large LCD display gives you plenty of space to get things done. And with seamless Galaxy connectivity, you can easily sync your notes and files across your devices. Additionally, explore a library of safe and kid-friendly content with Samsung Kids. Expand your storage up to 1 TB with a micro SD card, and switch seamlessly with Smart Switch. Experience the power and versatility of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Crush your day with this top-of-the-line tablet designed to keep up with your every need. Note: please check compatibility before purchasing, as this product is designed for use in the US. International use may require an adapter or converter. Visit the link in the description to learn more and purchase your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 today.